everybody and welcome back. So you have a problem with NetSuite and you can't find the solution and you need to open a ticket with NetSuite to get a help from them. And so this is what this tutorial is for. So let's get to it. So we're going to talk about these different levels of NetSuite support, where you find it, what kind of questions you should be asking, and how to open an actual case with NetSuite so they can call you back or email you. So let's get started. So when you're in NetSuite here and you have a question and you want to do something, so you can go to Help Center right here, and this will bring you to NetSuite Help Center. Another cool thing to do is I have that in my other video about cool tricks, is when you type help and then colon, then what you're looking for. So let's say you forgot how to create cash sale, and when you hit enter, it will bring you to the help center, right, with the questions that you put it in there. Okay, so let's say you can't find your answers and you have some issues. So when you're here in the Help Center, anywhere you are, you can click on the Suite Answers, and this will bring you to the portal from NetSuite. Now, this will carry over your account, so the system will know that you clicked it from your account, so you are logged in into your from your NetSuite account. So what you can do here is it will make you go through different questions and ask different things. So right here, where you see Contact Support, you click on that again, and over here this will your account number. That's what I'm talking about when it talks about it. It will know your account number and will bring that in here, so it will know your level of support that you're gonna get. One more thing I want to point out is that when you're on this page, you will see also a phone number to call in. And this is the phone number that you can call even if you are not logged in into NetSuite. So this can be very helpful if you're an admin and the system is not letting you in for some reason. This is a good number to have, so go ahead and save it to your phone or whatever, write it down on your desk. So if something to happen to your account, you can't get in to open a case, the phone number is always good to have. Once you call in, you'll be able to tell them about your NetSuite account, who you are. They will verify it, and once that is done, then it will go and create a case. You'll get an email, and you can communicate through that as well. Usually this is a little bit faster to get to them, but you will still have to go through and submit your case in a way that you'll still need to give them the description, you'll still need to give them screenshots, so I don't find it to be much helpful to call them anyway. So but that's just something as well to have it, just so you guys know. Over here on the right, you will see online support. There are 3 different options which you can do. You can click on here to chat with an AI. I do not like this at all. This is a waste of time. If you're already here looking to contact NetSuite, this will not probably help you. I'll find that Help Center much better than this AI guy. So not cool. I don't like it. Now here, when you go to click on Ask an Expert, this will actually bring you to the NetSuite support community. And this is, I go through this a lot. I find a lot of different cool topics here and things. So this is kind of interesting. This is a very cool resource. But if you already have a question, you're probably not gonna find it here as well. Or maybe even if you will, you wanna get to the NetSuite and have them look for it, because you're paying for it, right? So you're paying for their support. So what you're gonna do is, when you're here, this is a create support case. Now, when I click on this, this will not work for me because this is a training account that I'm using for this demo. So this will actually gonna give me an error, but for your account, you will probably gonna get to the page that will actually ask you a couple other questions. And so let's go over those questions. I took some screenshots, and let's see what those questions are and how to actually open up a case. So basically what's gonna happen is that when you open up that link, which is right here, and I recommend you copy and paste that link and add it to your shortcut so you don't have to go through all those troubles to get to that. So now, once you're in here, once you click on it, it will ask you again to type in your question, what you're looking for. And that's a trick of NetSuite, what they try to do. They try to make you go through all these places where you can actually find your answer before you contact them. So I think it's done on purpose. So by the time you actually open up a case, you will go through many different resources from NetSuite. So maybe you will find an answer. But you can type it in your question here and then scroll down and say, hey, I'm gonna open up a case anyway, and will bring you to this number 2 when you have ask a question, what kind of report, what kind of question this is, right? You have a problem, you can't open something, you have an error on your page, what type of question this is. Once you select that, it will give you an option to select how urgent this is. Critical, pretty urgent, really not so much, or enhancement, kind of like what you like to have. So once you select that, it will bring you to all this rest of the steps where you can actually select the kind of question this related to a customer, issue with logging in, with roles permissions, related to cash sales and processes, or website related. So this is kind of a category. Then over here, you can actually type in the summary of the question. This is going to be the first thing they're going to read through once this case gets to somebody. So kind of briefly describe your issue that you're having. You can attach your screenshots. This is very useful. Usually they will ask you again, so might as well have some screenshots prepared. So you can attach over here. You can attach, I think, few for sure. Over here you will have a contact number. So this is your work number or your cell phone number. This is where they're gonna giving you a call back to this number. And here your time zone, and then once you agree for them to log into your replica account, which NetSuite will have, and click submit case, this will go and you will get a notification through your email that you assigned to in NetSuite saying that you have created a case. And after that, usually depends on your severity, how important that is, they will get back to you. Usually, I would say probably about a couple hours, usually on urgent. Critical, maybe within 30 minutes or so. How to, probably within the same day or maybe next day. Enhancement, same day or the next day as well. And you will get a person assigned to your case. And after that, they will look into, contact you and call you, set up online meeting request. And after that, you can show them and duplicate that issue that you're having so they can help you. So I hope this guys very helpful for you, and let me know if you know any other tricks or how to contact NetSuite, and let me know. Thank you very much.